Hello and welcome to Excel-Dashboard-Templates.com. My name is Steve True. Please visit our website, Excel-Dashboard-Templates.com, and sign up for our blog so that you're sure to get the latest Excel dashboarding technique. Okay, today I'm going to show a little trick here. We have a person who wanted to know, how do I create categories on both the horizontal axis and the vertical axis? So you notice there's no numbers here. Very happy, somewhat happy, neither. These are survey results, and they had by person how the survey results actually turned out, but they just wanted to see this was like a value of 5, this is a value of 1, they were very unhappy. This is a value of 2, they were somewhat unhappy, but I didn't know how to get these categories over here, so let's go ahead and show you how to do that. So first, we're going to have two sets of data. We're going to have one is our set of data related to each person and their survey value, and then we're also going to have our categories for the vertical axis that we're going to mock up and show you how to put in there as well. Okay, so first we want to highlight our data information for our surveys, and we're going to go up to our insert ribbon. We're going to insert a column chart, and we're just going to pick a 2D column chart right here. Grab that and put that up where you can see it. So you can see it's created Steve, Mark, John. It has values from 1 to 5, and that's series 1. Now we want to highlight series 2 and the numbers 1 that we have next to them. Notice that we have very unhappy on the top and very happy at the bottom. So very unhappy at the top and very happy at the bottom. The reason we do this is Excel is going to switch these over and put this up on top, and when we put it on the secondary axis, and this one going down in a downward fashion. We could reverse those as well, but if we set up our data this way to begin with, it's going to make it easier on us. So we want to highlight that information, we want to go up and copy it, then we want to select our chart, and we want to go and do a paste special. So we're going to do paste special, and you can see here we want to choose a new series. This is going to be an entire new series, and go ahead and click on OK. You can see in the red there it's entered our second data series. We want to click on that data series within the chart. We want to go up to our layout ribbon, our design ribbon, and over here in the type subgroup we want to change the chart type. So click on the change chart type button, and what we want to do is we want to pick a bar chart, and we want to just select a regular clustered bar chart. Click on OK. Now you can see it's put those same categories horizontally here. What we want to do is select the chart. We want to go back up to our layout ribbon. Here we want to go to the axis groupings, and then the axis we want to do our secondary vertical axis, and we want to show the default axis. So there's our categories right there. Very happy, somewhat happy, neither, somewhat unhappy, and very unhappy. Now we've got these on the right hand side, we want them over on the left hand side. So what we want to do now is we want to click on the secondary horizontal axis, right click on it, click on Format Axis, and then what we want to do in this dialog box is on the Access options we want to check this Values in Reverse Order. Click on that. Your values will now show up over on the left hand side as though they're actual groupings for us, so that's good news. And we want to change the minimum and the maximum, and we want to just set both of those to 0, so that will ultimately get rid of those bars, so we don't need to see any of those bars anymore. And then also let's click on the primary vertical axis, the 0 through 6. We want to click on fixed axis, and we want to do the maximum to 5, and we want to do the minimum to 0. So that sets that in there a little bit better. And we want to change the major unit here to actually make sure that it is every 1. Otherwise, when it does the auto, it's going to show some extra grid lines in there because it's going to be every half, and we actually want to fix that to every 1 so that we can get rid of some of those extra grid lines that we ultimately do not need. Okay, let's click on Close. Let's clean up a little of the chart junk. We don't need the legend. We don't need that secondary horizontal axis, and we now no longer need the primary vertical axis. So as you can see, we've got categories on both the horizontal axis and categories going up the vertical axis. So hopefully that'll help you create some of your charts. Please visit exceldashboardtemplates.com and sign up for our blog so that you get the latest charting techniques so you can wow your executives on your next company dashboard. Thank you.